Today, we'll be talking about pre-approval versus a pre-qualification. A pre-qualification is based on a conversation between a loan officer and a borrower. Based on that conversation, the loan officer provides a letter saying they're pre-qualified. But is it really worth the paper it's printed on? Not really. A pre-approval, done properly, is a deep dive on the financial documentation of a borrower. A good loan officer will go forensic upfront to gather as much financial information as possible about the individuals applying for a mortgage loan. Remember, we don't know you financially. A pre-approval achieves quite a bit. It helps a borrower determine how much they can afford to budget towards a monthly mortgage payment and how much they can qualify for. It lets the real estate agent know exactly what their buyer can afford and allows them to narrow their property search to neighborhoods and cities within their specific price range. If you're house hunting with your agent and you haven't been pre-approved, you're just wasting each other's time. You really are. Most importantly, this allows a good loan officer to uncover any landmines up front so they can be addressed and resolved before you enter into a 30-day contract with a seller and your loan is then presented to an underwriter. You only get one shot at loan approval, and we have a saying in our industry, once an underwriter sees it, they can't unsee it. A pre-approval gives us time to set up and correctly structure your loan and pinpoint the best loan program for you. What is the borrower's credit score and payment history like? We can identify past credit issues now. Any income, tax, employment, or credit issues can quickly be identified and resolved. In North Carolina, buyers must pay a due diligence deposit directly to the seller. This is a non refundable deposit that the seller keeps if you can't successfully close. For those with income complexities such as self employed income, or you own multiple corporations or LLCs, hourly jobs with overtime, etc., we like to put your pre-approval in front of an underwriter. At this point, the loan officer can provide detailed letters of explanation to the underwriter to explain any of the issues and provide supporting documentation to show the resolution. The underwriter will also calculate the income for us, and the lender will honor that income so that there is no confusion. Thank you for watching. If you and your family are thinking about getting pre-approved or you're unsure how much you qualify for, please feel free to reach out. My team and I are standing by to help.